That. Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about installing this bracket, that spring, them two cables, and what that does is helps me open that hood and close it. When you close it so it doesn't slam, and when you open it without that spring, you will see that it is very hard for me to open that hood. And I'm going to show you how to install that. And before I go further, I want to let you guys know, if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and let's move on. You can zoom in every once in a while, you know that? This hood opens so hard that I can't do it myself. My lovely wife, Justina, is going to help me open this hood. You ready?
Yep.
This bracket, that spring goes on right there on that arm that you see up there. And I'm going to show you more details once I've got this all installed. So I will talk to you in a bit. I'm back. I had to install that cable, that bracket, and that cable right there. Totally simple. That cable on the hood was already there, but the spring wasn't there. When the hood is open, them straps right there, these right here, they hold the hood so that it doesn't fall to the floor. And one project off. Hope you enjoy this video. Hey, how you all doing today? As you can see, my cup is shaking. And Tim Hortons, do I need to say I live in Canada? All right, this will tell you. Alberta, guys. Project for now is peel this door apart, take this lock out, and replace it. And I will show you more how to do that. Let me go get that lock real quick from this side here, right here, and here, right here. On my Freightliner, they come in sets of 3. The 2 door locks and the ignition lock. This is the part of the ignition. All you do is you take that switch out, hit this little spring, you push that in, then the other part comes out and you push this back into the switch and put it back in its place with a new key. That way you have one key for the 2 doors and for your ignition. So I will be showing you more clips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And if you do, hit like, subscribe, and keep in touch. Also, I'd like you to leave your comments and thoughts. I'm not acting though I know everything. I don't, and maybe you have some helpful tips.
No, we thought of that.
This panel has to be taken off. I've done that. And then if you look around this way, see, this is where that lock is. Can you see that? Yeah, clearly. See this lock right here? You take this off. And that lock mechanism is right in there. Need a flat screwdriver. And can you see that little lock right there? Take that lock off. You probably don't want to lose it. And then this little arm slides right off. And then from right in behind here, there is a lock that slides right up and out. And then you come from this side. Look at that. The lock comes right out. And in goes the new lock. And where is
screwdriver?
This right here? I found it. Can you see all that or no?
Yeah.
This is actually not even a big deal to do this. See right there? I don't know if you guys know this, probably most of you don't, but all of my friends call me Shaky. Because I've always shaken pretty bad, and that really helps me. You ask, in what way? It helps me when I want to get something done. It takes me longer. I sit there and shake and try. There it is. Okay. Now let's slide this one in here. We should have had a light here. I think you'll be able to see that. And there it is. And put that back in its place. And this here. Testing time. Let's see if it works. Make sure my window's down. Because what if it don't? And I'm in trouble. And moment of truth. There it is, locked. Then open it. Unlocked. Voila. That was quite easily done. Hope it helps. And there you have it. Door is done and the lock works. Nicely done. Cool.
Okay.
Take off 4 little screws. This panel comes off. And this should slide right out. Take this switch off. And replace that little lock mechanism too. And I'm guessing to do that, I gotta poke into that little hole. You want to get that tester? And can you see that? All you do is you poke that little hole after you have turned the key, and it unlocks, and this key mechanism, look, it just slides right out. And this is where you put the new one in. Exchanging these, putting a new one in. Where's the other key? Right here is the new key. Stick that in. Close that lock there also. And voila. You turn it back, and there you have it, guys. Look at that. And then you just take and put this back in its place. Rock and roll. Hope it helps. Okay guys, I do have another project right here. This door, you see all this corrosion right here? It's because this door is not being used as often as it maybe should, but listen to that. Totally annoying. But let me show you something else. I don't know if you can see that. That hinge is actually broken. I didn't want to replace it, but it looks like I don't have a choice. So if I do replace it, I'll make sure to capture that later. Thanks everyone for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Peace.